So CelineSayang, you see, just want to explain to you, because you see, this metal colored red supposed to be here, you know, supposed to be attached to here. Okay, but it's already broken, you know, see. So the hole there, there's a hole here. It's already broken. Okay, and this piece of metal actually is like a hand to hold this this stand by screw, putting screw, you know, two screw like this. But since it's already broken there, okay, so this stand no longer can be used. So I'm thinking how, because to fix it I need a kind of tool that called welding tool, but I don't have that. I only have the drill, yeah. So I want to think how I can modify way of putting this stand. Okay, CelineSayang, I love you.